Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can create a birthday music song with the specific name on Google Gemini AI. So you can actually create the photos and give the song as the birthday song as the background also. So I'll be opening the Google Gemini app on my mobile, or you can say Hey Google also. And see here, this is the home page, right? On the Google Gemini AI there is an option called create music. Tap on this and it is asking you to choose a template to pick a remix, but I'm not going to do that. What I'll do is, it is saying like describe your track, so I'll be giving a voice text. Yeah, create a nice beautiful birthday song in English and mention the name Rahul in it. Means wishing birthday wishes with a pleasant music, and it should be impressive. Okay, and at the end of the video, what I'll do is, I'll be taking this, means I'll download this video, this birthday song video or audio, and I'll be including with the Canva photos. Means I can create a series of photos for Rahul and add this music, the created music, as the birthday song background, and it will go really good. Yeah, see here, it took like 10 seconds and the audio is ready. So I can play this now, and I can also download this. See, with the download symbol, I can only want track only. If you want with the audio, you can download this also. Audio downloaded, so it will be here, right? Yeah, it's downloaded, right? What I'll do is, I'll go to my download folder from Google Files, and this is what downloaded.
Another orbit round the sun. Look at all the light you've won. Hey Rahul, it's your day.
Yeah, see, right? I have created a birthday song for the name Rahul. Likewise, you can create your own required name. What I can do is, I can open the Canva app on my mobile, and here I can take a template, a video template, where I can ask like birthday video, maybe birthday, sorry, happy birthday video. Yeah, so this will give some video suggestions. I can replace the images. Okay, now I can add the audio what I have just created. See here, add the audio, it is saying, right? Maybe add the audio, it is saying. See, add the audio. Before that, what I'll do is, I'll upload this first. Click on the uploads and I upload the files, and click on this filter to audio, and this is the one what I have just created, the birthday song created using Google Gemini Music AI tool. And once it is successfully installed, I'll be pressing on the back button, and I'll be choosing this what is this, and I'll be clicking on add audio, and I'll go to the audio uploads, and I'll be uploading this. Now if I play this, imagine these pictures are of Rahul.
Another orbit round the sun. Look at all the
Okay, increase the picture so that you'll get the full audio. So this is how you can create birthday music song which is of very fresh with the name using Google Gemini music tool. I hope you like this. If you like this, please do hit a like and share it to your friends. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.